welcome to the deep dive. So we got a bunch of sources from you, including that pretty interesting Savage Reviews video.
Right.
And it all boils down to one thing, really.
Yeah.
This WithU fitness app.
Mm.
Is it genuinely about, accessible, feel-good fitness?
Or is it just another subscription we're maybe going to regret? Another trap.
Exactly.
So yeah, that's what we're digging into today. Taking those sources, peeling back the layers on the marketing stuff.
Trying to see what's legit.
Does it actually deliver on that flexibility and quality promised? Especially when you look at the price tag.
Okay, let's unpack that positioning first.
Right.
WithU makes it really clear, doesn't it? They want to be the go-to app for, well, everyone.
Yeah, the accessible option.
Designed specifically to counter that whole gym intimidation thing, focusing on how fitness feels first.
Definitely seems aimed at beginners, maybe people working out at home more.
For sure.
And, if you just look at the sheer amount of content, the sources do back that up. There's a lot there.
Like what specifically?
Thousands of workouts, expert-led stuff, cardio, strength, yoga, meditation, breath work.
Pretty broad.
Yeah, mobility, running, even HIIT, high-intensity interval training. Good if you're short on time but want to blast. Definitely covers a lot if you need variety or don't have much equipment at home.
And users seem to like the coaching quality, right?
Yeah.
And the interface comes up a lot, too. People saying it's clean.
Yeah, those are definite plus points. And the audio-led focus seems like a big win for many.
How so?
Well, it means you can actually focus on doing the exercise on your form rather than constantly having to look at a screen. Helps you get in the zone.
That makes sense. Less distraction.
Exactly. But that's where the feel-good part starts to hit some snags. When you look beneath the surface, the user experience isn't always smooth sailing.
Okay. What kind of snags?
Well, user reviews, especially if you look at places like Google Play, they flag some pretty significant technical debt, let's call it. Things just not working right. We saw reports of the AI assistant being basically non-functional. Features they claimed were there, like full Apple Watch support, apparently missing or incomplete.
Ooh.
And buggy syncing between devices. That came up quite a bit.
Right, and buggy syncing completely kills the motivation, doesn't it? I mean, finish a workout, feel good.
And then the data just vanishes. Yeah. It undermines that whole feel-good promise pretty quickly.
Which brings us straight to the cost issue.
Yep. There is a basic free tier, but for the full experience, it's £9.99 a month, and it auto-renews.
So if fundamental stuff like syncing isn't reliable.
That £9.99 starts to feel a bit steep, doesn't it? Especially when stable tech is kind of table stakes for fitness apps these days.
It really does. So why the instability? And you also mentioned something about limited customization earlier.
Right. That's another wrinkle. The ability to tailor the workout seems pretty basic. You can set a general goal type, but getting really personalized plans doesn't seem possible right now.
Why do you think that is? Just lagging development?
Yeah. Well, this is where looking at the bigger picture, the business strategy, becomes really revealing. It's not just about individual users.
Okay.
WithU is making a big push into corporate wellness programs and loyalty partnerships with huge brands. We're talking Visa, McDonald's, Vodafone, massive names.
Wow, okay. So how does partnering with McDonald's affect my workout sync?
It matters because when your main focus shifts to selling large-scale packages to corporations, you have to standardize.
Oh, I see.
Your tech, your content, it needs to be easily deployable across thousands of employees, integrate with their systems, manage liability. Everything gets geared towards mass distribution.
Which means less room for fine-tuning for individual needs.
Exactly. That focus on corporate scale inherently pulls resources and focus away from, say, building super niche, micro-adjusted training plans or ensuring flawless tech integration for every single consumer device permutation out there.
Their main customer, financially, becomes the corporation buying the bulk licenses.
Precisely. Not necessarily the individual fitness enthusiast who wants hyper-personalized coaching.
So the limited customization isn't really a bug, it's almost a feature of their business model.
You could definitely argue that. It's a consequence of where they're putting their strategic bets.
Okay, so summing it all up then, based on the sources.
The verdict seems to be, WithU is actually a pretty decent choice if you want a flexible, general fitness app. Good range of disciplines, especially if you're a beginner or doing quick sessions at home or on the go.
But, and this is the big, but it's likely going to disappoint you if you're chasing elite performance, right?
Absolutely. If you need really precise coaching for a specific sport or you want plans adjusted based on detailed biometrics, or if you just expect the tech to work perfectly from day one. This probably isn't it.
It's built more for that broad corporate audience.
Than for the highly specialized individual user, yeah.
Got it.
Which leaves us with a final thought for you to chew on. Thinking about that focus on corporate deals. How might that goal of providing standardized, feel-good fitness for everyone inherently limit how well an app can truly serve users who need elite, highly specialized, or deeply individualized training? Something to keep in mind when you look at any fitness subscription, really.
Good point. We'll catch you next time on The Deep Dive.